Hello friends, fighting kesang tini Bharatiya Aviation Service ni bising tei kotal job ni notification nalainai omongkha airport ni bagai na job tlajaknai chini Agartala airport ni bagai ba kubangma vacancies tongnai fighting kesang profile name nalainai telajaknai customer service agent qualification nangnai class 12 pass vacancies tongnai 2653 ta loader housekeeping ni bagai salary ni details tongo norok kaham khenai nadi qualification 10 pass vacancies tongnai 855 ta o post ni bagai jara interested candidate tongnai norok online application khaimana online application start angka 1 April 2024 ni simi last date tongnai 30 June 2024 ratai norok online application khaimanai examination fee jotongo oro customer service agent ni bagai 380 taka all candidate 380 taka khai fee marinai loader housekeeping ni bagai examination fee 340 taka marinai as realization jotongo oro HC ST 5 years te OBC ke 3 years examination ni bagai syllabus ni details jotongo oro norok kaham khenai nadi a notification video ni description di dinai ter norok video ni description thani kaham khenai nadi Century Plus State ni bagai examination center tongnai Agartala tei Dharmanagar friends norok nogui mankana Bharatiya Aviation Service ni bisingtei kotal airport job ni notification omhai kotal job ni notification naina bagai Hasteni Jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlaina support khaidi tei norok kotal job ni notification nogui mannai।